A credit card payment may be returned due to insufficient funds in the bank account, as there must be enough money to cover the payment. Another reason for a returned payment is an error in the bank information provided to the credit card issuer, which can be avoided by ensuring the correct information is given. Failing to update payment information, such as when switching banks, can also lead to a returned payment, highlighting the importance of notifying the card issuer of any changes. A payment reversal occurs when the spent amount is returned to the bank, and this can be initiated by the cardholder, the issuing bank, or the card issuer. Reversals can happen for various reasons, including changing one's mind after ordering an item, being charged the incorrect amount, purchasing a product that was already sold, or making a duplicate transaction. To avoid payment reversals, it is crucial to provide clear transaction descriptors, including a business phone number and website URL, so the customer's bank statement is easy to understand. Processing unauthorized reversals quickly can also prevent chargeback reversals, especially for business owners. Additionally, setting up a projected clearing date informs the customer about their purchase and when to expect the withdrawal of funds from their bank, helping to avoid potential issues. Understanding these reasons and taking preventive measures can help minimize the occurrence of returned credit card payments and payment reversals.